Well, it's that time of year. This is how we predict the winter in Ohio. And as you look, looks like we're going to have a mild winter. Very little black, just in the head part. It's going to start out a little cold, but then it's going to be mild. So far, these things have been pretty accurate. It's called a woolly bear. That's what we call it down here. I just think it's awesome. They're just now starting to move. If you lift up logs or wood piles, you'll find them underneath them. That's kind of where they hibernate. And then next year they turn into a butterfly. I don't know the Latin name, but we call them woolly bears. Well, we'll have a mild winter. Get this guy out of the road so he don't get ran over. So you can get a little close-up of him. It's just a beautiful day. I'll take him over here. There's a wood pile. They kind of like it underneath there. They ain't gonna hurt you. Whoop. I don't see no snakes. Not saying there ain't nothing in there. But anyway, woolly bear, just awesome. And away he goes. Just a beautiful day. Peace.